Good morning, everybody. I wanted to share with you a little tip on how to access our videos in different languages. Okay, so all of our recorded sessions are done in English currently. We plan on doing more sessions with French and English so that we can cater to people who are bilingual with those languages, but also because we're a bilingual province that we should be doing our sessions in French and English both, okay? But for now, our pre-recorded sessions that we've done on resumes, on cover letters like this video here, on the benefits of volunteering, on job maintenance and workplace culture, all these different videos are currently done in English, but there is a way for you to access the information that I'm talking about in any language, okay? Um, there is a translation service that is given by YouTube, and for the most part, it actually is pretty good, okay? There are, of course, some mistakes because what it does is it records my voice, and then from what it hears, it changes the language to whatever you select, right? So if I don't speak clearly for a second or even a minute, it might not register what I am saying. But for the most part, it actually is pretty accurate. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how you do that. So I have a video here. It's how to write a cover letter. It was recorded by myself in front of some students at the Multicultural Association, and all of the information is given in English. But if you click on settings, which I'm doing right now, if you follow my mouse, settings, you click on subtitles right here, you'll have the option English auto-generated, okay? So you click on that, but that's not where it ends, okay? Click on it again. English auto-generated is the selection now. Click on it again, and you'll have auto-translate show up below it now, okay? So now before you only had off and English, now if you click again, you'll see auto-translate. If I click on auto-translate, I have a long list of languages that YouTube will translate to using my voice. So if you are a French listener, okay, you'll see the setting has now changed. You'll see a nice black bar at the bottom of my screen here, and the translation is now in French, okay? So I'm just going to play a quick 20 seconds of what I am talking about, okay? And you'll see that it follows my words and my voice pretty clearly, okay? So I'll let this run for a second. So essentially what I'm saying here is exactly translated at the bottom of the screen. I'll read it in French. Car lorsque vous soumettez une candidature à un emploi, que ce soit en ligne ou que vous, and it continues, right? And those were almost identical to the words I use in English. There wasn't very much variance here, all right? So if I skip 25 minutes into the video, it continues to do the same thing. It'll continue my voice in English or French, sorry. Okay, so for those who are French who are potentially watching this, the translation, there are some very small mistakes, but for the most part, it is good. And it's better than nothing, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So if I go back to our settings here, and I don't want French anymore, I want to choose a different language, you simply click on subtitles again on this little cog, okay, which is your settings, and you would choose auto translate again, all right, and then find a different language, okay? So I know that a lot of our clients are Arabic or Arabic speakers, okay? So I would click on that, and then the translation would be at the bottom. Unfortunately, I can't read or speak this language, but if it's anything like the French translation, it should be good enough for you to follow, okay? And so I will end this video here. we have tons of resources that are on YouTube right now. If I go to my page, if I go to my channel, you'll see all of our videos here, okay? You can click on any of these and you'll have the option to have something translated in your preferred language, all right? So if you want to watch the resume building clinic here at the bottom of the screen in a certain language, you can, all right? You simply click on the video, you click on the settings, again, subtitles, English auto-generated, and then that's not the final step. Remember, you have to go to auto-translate, and then you pick your language preference, okay? So you can do that for any of our videos. I strongly recommend that you do that if you are looking for these basic tips, like cover letter writing or anything about the job market here in Canada. This is a good way to start, okay? So I will leave that there. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that this is useful for you and that you can listen in your own language, or read, sorry, in your own language exactly what I'm saying if you don't understand. All right. Thank you. Cheers.